Welcome. Let's chat about the importance of hydration and how that can impact your well-being. Welcome. My name is Nina. I am a well-being coach. And on our 90-day challenge today, in day 77, we are chatting all about the benefits of water and why hydration is important. Now, we all actually know about hydration and that is important. The one thing that I bet that you didn't know is that hydrating the body isn't just as much as quickly grabbing a glass of water, glugging it down, and thinking that, okay, after 1 or 2 glasses of water, that I'm now going to be hydrated. Actually, what that does is if you're just glugging down water, it's actually just flushing through your system. If you really and truly want to hydrate your body, it is something as simple as this grabbing not just cold water, especially not ice water. You don't want to be drinking ice water, but kind of like hot water that you can comfortably drink. Mhm. Like that, you're taking a small little sip and you're doing that every 20 minutes. That is going to be the best way that you can actually hydrate yourself. Now, how does this impact your healthy habit? Well, if you are properly hydrated, you're going to have more energy, you're going to feel better, and you're going to have more capacity to actually do that habit that you've been wanting to do. So, that is my tip for to you today. If you want to keep yourself hydrated, remember to sip hot water. And if you would like a little bit more information, head down into the descriptions below. We have got our seasonal reset happening at the moment, and you are still welcome to join. You get lifetime access to it, and you join me live 4 times a year for that. So I'll see you on the inside. Take care. Bye.